Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to download the Brother HL-L3270CDW. So open any browser, search it is same in the Google search box to first link to right click to new tab. So different operating systems for all available drivers version also. Select version which is you using, then click to OK. So all different also driver are available like this tool, management tool, utility, firmwares. So I need to pull driver and make software, so click this, slow down, agree to download. Now this is then guys, single click to launch, run. Then guys, select the language, then next, agree the agreement, then next. So there are three options, one of the USB, one of the wire, and Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you connect to by LAN cable to your printer, so select this one and then next. So if you connect the Wi-Fi, so select this and next. If you want to connect USB, so USB connect the USB with your desktop laptop and select this one and next. Okay, thank you.